Hi everybody, today I'm making this quick unboxing so you guys can see this GOCAN Brazilian double hammock. And the first thing that you will see is that it comes with this bag to put it inside if you need to carry it to different places. By the way, this hammock is made of high density cotton. It's breathable as well as very soft on the skin, and just in case, it can hold 500 pounds. This is an extra large hammock and it can carry 2 people at the same time, so it is very big. And the nice thing is that it comes with this rope that allows you to secure it to a tree or to your hooks if you're putting it inside of the house. The fabric feels very thick, which I really like, and it's not stretchable, by the way. Here you have a close-up so you can see how the fabric really looks like. Now I want to show you how big it is. As I mentioned before, it can hold 2 people and you really can stretch all your body. I really like it. We are very excited because we have other type of hammocks that are smaller and they are a little bit uncomfortable, but we really like this one because we can really stretch our legs and arms. And that's everything for today. In the future, I'm going to make a review to show you how long it lasts, how easy it is to clean it up, and all the things that you need to know. But right now, this is everything for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!